Next, we will watch the animation video for tubal ligations. The surgeon will make a small incision about half an inch long in or below the belly button. Then, a harmless carbon dioxide gas is injected into the abdomen. This raises the abdominal wall of the pelvic organ so that the surgeon can get unobstructed view and also room to operate. Next, a laparoscope is inserted through the incision to view the tube. Next, a small device will be inserted to move, hold, and close off the fallopian tube by cutting, placing tubal rings, or cauterizations. Then, after the procedure ends, the laparoscope is removed and the incision is closed off. Next is mini laparotomy tubal ligations. A small incision will be made just above the pubic bone. Then, the fallopian tube will be grasped by using forceps and closed them off by using either placing tubal rings, cutting, or cauterizations. Then, the incision is closed. Third is laparotomy tubal ligations. 2 to 5 inch of incision at lower abdomen to be made. And then the fallopian tube is located and being closed by using cutting, placing tubal rings or cauterization. Then the incision is closed off.